Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to remove storage space running out notification in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open files by Google, and here you have to clear the data. If you have unwanted files and images, just you have to long press this and click on delete, and it will be permanently deleted, and it will help to and then you have to click on storage and swipe down. Here it is apps, click on manage apps. Here you have to click on the apps that are taking highest storage, like this you can see. Click on this, go to storage, and here you have to first clear the cache or data. You can see clear cache if it is there. You can see clear cache, and it will also free up space. Click on the unwanted apps, just delete it. This is how you can remove space running out of notification in your Redmi smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.